Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change Gmail password in iPhone. Open up the Gmail app on your iPhone. Go into your profile from the top right corner. Click on Manage your Google account. Tap on Security. Scroll down to Password. Click on it and enter your password to continue to verify that it's you. Then press Next. Now enter the new password you want, then re-enter your password to confirm. Then click the Change Password button. And as you can see, your password will be changed. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.